Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you would have seen from the thumbnail, I have got a brand new Primark haul for August 2020. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I've not picked up too many clothing items. There are more accessories, but stay tuned to find out what I've bought. Before I get into the video, please hit that subscribe button down below, because the ratio of you guys are terrible. Although it is getting better every video, it means the absolute world to me if you could subscribe, like and comment any other content you'd like to see from me, or just for a chat in the comments. But I'm just gonna get straight into the video and let you guys see what I bought. Also, it is so hot in this room. It is like already 25 degrees. The ring light makes it 10 times hotter, but this is meant to be the last day. It's meant to thunderstorm for the next like 3 days, and I have to say I'm actually quite excited because it's far too hot to be wearing makeup, and I'm just sweating already, and I'm only a minute into the video. So when I went into Primark, I've come out with a big massive bag and then just one of the tiny ones as well. I spent around £80. Well, to be fair, it's quite good when I go into Primark. I normally spend a lot more, but as I said, I didn't buy too many clothing items. I mainly stuck to like accessories and everything, and a lot of that new AF range that I think his name's Andrew. I'm not too sure because that looks really cool, but obviously I'm just gonna hop straight into the bag and show you what I got. But first of all, I got this really nice square neck puffy sleeves. It's like almost like peplum because it goes out at the bottom, and it's that like tight elastic material at the front, and then just the normal stretchy material at the back. I absolutely love these type of tops. I actually own a yellow one without like the peplum at the bottom, but I thought this was really nice. The material's really nice, and it was only, there's no label on it, but I believe it was only like £10, and this will look so nice with like some black or blue jeans, or even like a skirt, or you could even try and tuck it in. But I love the added detail at the bottom, and yeah, I think it's really nice. Obviously you will see in the try on clip what it looks like, but they have so many tops like this. Like they had a black one with like white speckles, but it was a bit see-through in like the back. I wasn't sure about it, so I went with this one in the end. But I absolutely love the nude colour, and it's just like a Primark classic. I got mine in a small, which is a 10 to 12. Obviously it will be stretchy, so yeah, I really like this top. But I have just got the little peplum top on. I really love this. I've put it with some jean shorts, but I wouldn't wear it with this at all. But it's far too hot to be putting jeans on. But I absolutely love it. I love the sleeves. I think they're really flattering, and they're not too tight, but they don't feel like they're about to fall down. But yeah, I literally love this t-shirt. It's just so nice. I love how flattering it looks. It looks really nice because it goes out just at the waistline as well, and especially this with like some leather leggings, like with the zip up ones and stuff, and the button. I think this would look so cute. I think a little nice black outfit just with a pop of colour. And yeah, I just love square detailing. I think it is really flattering, and yeah, I just love this little t-shirt, and it's not too thick either. The only problem is in the summer, if you sweat, you're gonna have sweat patches. So maybe leave this one out for maybe autumn time, like end of September, October. But I think it is really flattering, and I definitely will be getting my wear out of this t-shirt. And it is the perfect nice top to wear with a pair of jeans. Like, this is the kind of tops we all look for in winter when we're going out and we're wearing some jeans. We need a nice top to wear with it. So yeah, I will definitely be getting my wear out of this. Side eye. Imagine I put anything the right way around. Then I just picked up this little, again, a square neck. As you can tell, I really like the square like neck. I think it looks really flattering on your body. I really like this. I did actually pick it up in a medium, was it 12 to 14, because they had no small left. But I actually prefer it. Now I've tried it on when I got home. I actually prefer it in the medium because it's not as short, because it is very cropped. Like you can tell, although it's a bit longer because I got the medium, that the small would have been very cropped on me. But I think the medium's perfect. So if you don't really like like really cropped t-shirt, I would size up because it is still quite cropped and I sized up. But I absolutely love this, especially for Primark quality. It is perfect because it is so thick. Like, it feels like something you would buy from Zara, and it was only £8. But yeah, it is super thick. I don't know if you can like see how thick it is, but it is a really nice material, and this will be perfect just with like some joggers, chilling around the house. I'd even wear this in that winter with some like a cardigan wrapped around. It would look really nice, and you can't really go wrong for £8. Next, I've just got the black t-shirt on, and I really like this. I've just paired it with these leopard print shorts, but I really like this. As you can see, obviously you can see my bra underneath, but I wouldn't obviously wear a bra with it. I just can't be bothered to take it off. But as you can see, it is still quite short and like crop wise, so I would size up if you don't like really cropped t-shirts. Like, the length on the sleeves, like the strap, is still perfectly fine. I was a bit worried that it might be too long and they fall down, but they're perfectly fine. And I think it's just a really nice flattering black crop top, perfect for summer. And it is really thick. It's a lot like a Zara t-shirt, really. But yeah, I think it's really flattering on, and I definitely will be getting a lot of use of this. And then slightly different for me, I actually picked up this dress. I'm not going to be able to get it in the full frame, but you will see it in the try on clip. I absolutely love this dress. I think it's so cute. Like, it's got the little v-neck here, and on the sleeves and at the top it's got like that elastic, I don't know if you can see, like that elastic sleeve, so it goes in, and I just think this is so cute. It is in navy, and I did see the girls, like on the well, girls, you know what I mean, the models, wear this with a little brown belt, and I think that would look so cute. It is so nice on. It's very different for me, and it was £13, but I really like it, and that's a bargain for a dress. And it's not too long, like, it's long enough. It's definitely a daytime dress, so it's a bit longer, but with a belt cinched in at the waist, even with it just being flowy, it is so cute. And I wish I'd actually seen this at the beginning of summer, because I definitely would have got my wear out of this a lot more. But I suppose you could put it on with some tights and like some Chelsea boots in the winter, but it is so nice. The material is quite thin, and like, it's not see-through, but it's not the best material, but it is summer, so like at least it'll be cool and it won't be too warm. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress, and you will see it a lot better in the next clip. So I've just got the little summer dress on. I think this is really cute. I love how like the sleeves go in and the little v-neck, and it's not too long, but obviously it's a lot longer because it does just flow, so if it went up, you know, and everything will be on show. But I'm just going to style it how the model had it on. She did have it on with a brown belt, but I can't find a brown belt. So here it is with just a little belt on. Well, it does tuck it in at the waist, what I think is really flattering, and obviously brings it that little bit shorter. But I think it's a really nice dress, and I would definitely wear this out like with some espadrilles or some sandals, even some like little heels on a nice dinner date. But I just think it's a really flattering dress. Now I'm going to come up close to show you the neckline. So this is the neckline here. As you can see, it's v-neck, and it's got the elastic at the top, and then the sleeves are a little bit puffy with the elastic tying them in, and I just think this is so flattering, and I just really like this dress. And then I actually have like this green, like almost military jacket. I love this. I probably won't be wearing this anytime soon with how hot it is, but I absolutely love this jacket. It's got like the two little pockets on either side, and obviously it'll be a lot easier to show you in the try on clip again, but I just love it. I actually got mine in medium, it's a 12 to 14, just because I prefer my jackets being quite baggier, but it is a little bit cropped. Obviously on me it's a bit longer, but that's just because I sized up. But it is a little bit cropped, and I absolutely love this. It will look so nice in the winter, even with like a jumper underneath. That is why I got it in the size larger, and just because I prefer oversized clothing. But yeah, I love this. I always go to Primark for jackets in the winter. Obviously I get like my main winter jacket from like Topshop or something, but for like styling jackets, Primark is the way to go because it's so much more affordable than even all these online shops. And I've just got the green jacket on. I feel like this is really flattering. I love that it's quite baggy. That's why I got it in the bigger size to make it baggy, or it would have been cropped, but I prefer wearing baggier clothing. But I really like it. Obviously Primark is perfect for jackets. Like, I love how it's got the 2 pockets here, which is perfect if you bring this on a night out with you, and it's just very flattering, and obviously it zips up. And the good thing about getting it in a bigger size is that it actually will zip out with like a jumper underneath it and stuff. But I would probably wear it a lot on my shoulders, because that is how I wear a lot of my jackets, like on my shoulders like this, because I just think that's a lot more flattering, especially on a night out. This is how I'd probably wear my jacket around, just so it's not too hot. But I think the jacket is really flattering, and I absolutely love the colour of it. And that is me done for clothing. I only picked up 4 items, and then I also just picked up these little 12-pack of hair grips, because obviously I got my hair cut a lot shorter, and I just need these to like pin like these bits up, especially when I'm doing my makeup. I do want to get like the Molly May Beauty Works clips, like them types, but I just thought for now these will do. I used to love these when I was younger as well, and it's literally 12 for a pack of, for £1, and I'm sure I will lose many of these. And then the rest of the items I bought were actually from that Andrew Fitzsimmons range, and I picked up these 3-pack of large wrap bobbins, and they look really cute. I will get them out the packaging for you, but I really love these. They look super adorable, and they're just really cute colours as well. So they're just like hair bubbles, but they're just like silk. So I've got like this cream one, if it's kind of in packaging, and then like this more dark pink colour, and then a light pink colour. And I just think these are so cute, especially now I've got my hair a bit shorter. I wear it like half up half down a lot more because it won't all go up, and these just look super cute in your hair, and they just feel really nice. And they were only £2.50, what is like obviously a bargain for 3 silky hairbands. And then I also picked up the Andrew Fitzsimmons Texture Instant Volume Spray Fit Volume Instant, and obviously these are all Primark exclusives. And this is the bottle. It probably won't focus because of the like the shiny bottle, how shiny it is, but it was £2.50, and I'm really hoping it's nice. Oh, but definitely gives you volume. Like, I don't want to push my hair up too much, but I can definitely see that it gives you some volume. I'm just going to push my hair back down. But yeah, and it smells so nice. Like, even if it didn't do anything, £2.50 to make your hair smell nice, that's a bargain. But I can tell that it's texturizing it. Like, this side feels a lot softer, and this one feels like pushed up a little bit more. But I've just pushed it back down because I obviously don't want one side of my hair pushed up. And then I also picked up the Luxe Hair Oil, Primark exclusive, and this was £3.50, and it just says massage through damp or dry hair, style as usual. And this is it. This might focus a little bit better. But yeah, I just really wanted to try some of this range, and I thought I might as well try it. It's just a normal serum. Oh yeah, it feels really soft on my hand as well, and it doesn't feel like too, you know when you get them hair serums and they're like too sticky, that like doesn't feel sticky at all. And again, it smells really nice. And then I actually picked up something I really would never pick up from Primark. I decided to pick up the Andrew Fitzsimmons Pro Styling Hair Straighteners, which are these ones here, as you can see. And these were £12, and they're digital temperature control, heat to 210, ceramic coated plates, auto shutter function, and 360 swivel cord. And this is what they look like on the back. And I just really want to try these out, so please comment down below if you would like to see a testing video of these, because these are the first time I've seen these in my local Primark. But I'm really excited to try them out and give them a go, so that will be coming up in a video soon. And again, in the same video, I also picked up Andrew Fitzsimmons Pro Styling Hairdryer, 2-speed for custom airflow, 3 heat settings, cool function and removable filter. So this is it, and this again was £12, what is a bargain for a hairdryer, and then £12 for some hair straighteners. So I will be doing a video soon to see if these are any good, so please stay tuned for that video. It should be up in the next week. I just thought I never pick up electoral items from Primark, and I thought I might as well give them a go for like £24. If these are good, that's great, because at the minute my hairdryer isn't the best, and I only ever use GHDs, so like this would be a cheaper alternative. I'm gonna presume they're not as good as GHDs, and if they are, I'll probably be slightly annoyed because these are £12 and my GHDs were £100. But I will be doing these in a video very soon. And then I have just put, as you can see, put my hair up with the hair bubbles, and they're actually really good quality. Like, they're not too, like, you know, you get hair bubbles what are like fancy sometimes and they don't actually get your hair up. These are really, really tight, and I do actually really like them. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I found in Primark this month, and please hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, to see when I upload the video trying out the hair dryer and the straighteners, because that will be coming within the next week. So hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button and you will find out when I upload. You'll get a notification every single time. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, anything down below. Let's have a chat in the comments, and I will see you on Friday with a brand new upload. Bye.